Here I've got Doogee S55 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to the system. Now open reset options, where you will notice reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So simply open it by tapping. Now just come along with the notification that this operation will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and also Bluetooth. And if you still want to do it, click on reset settings. Now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone, and if you are aware of that fact, simply click on reset settings. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. Network settings have been reset. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.